when you live in the North Pacific and you want to grow palm trees, I always make sure most of your planting consists of Trachycarpus fortunei palms, okay? And the reason I say that is because they are foolproof here. Anywhere near the coast, anywhere near the ocean, they are foolproof. I mean, look at how nice these things look. Like I say, they went through a week of a deep freeze in late December, and they've been through many deep freezes before. So that was nothing, but you can see there's absolutely zero damage on these windmill palm trees, Chinese windmill palm trees. And we are late February now, and they're growing, man. They grow in the winter months here. They don't grow as fast in the winter months, but they certainly do open up a frond in the winter months. Probably at least one frond, I bet you, in the winter months you'll get out of one of these babies. Just depends how mild it is. Temperatures are normal, they're going to grow. But you can see how good they look, how green they are, and everything's just thriving. It's just really good. It's been, you know what, like I say, we only had that 1 week of cold weather, so winter wasn't that bad, except for a crappy last week of December. Prior to that was good, and after that was good too. So there they go. So remember, your base planting should be Trachycarpus fortunei palms if you want to do a palm garden this far north. All right? That way, if you had the worst freeze ever and everything else in your garden dies, and I'm not talking sable mine or needle palms, I'm talking your Mexican fan palms and all those other marginal things people like to push, at least these guys will be standing. All right, when the worst freeze hits. Thanks for watching. Cheers.